Pioneers in Computer Science. Part 1. Pioneers in computer science have laid the foundation for the digital world we live in today. From early visionaries like Charles Babbage and Ada Lovelace, who imagined programmable machines, to Alan Turing, who defined the principles of modern computation, their ideas have shaped the evolution of technology. Innovators such as Grace Hopper, John von Neumann, and Donald Knuth advanced programming in computer architecture, while creators like Tim Berners-Lee and Vint Cerf enabled the rise of the Internet. Their combined contributions have transformed computing from theoretical concepts into powerful tools that drive every aspect of modern life. 1. Ada Lovelace, year 1815 to 1852. Ada Lovelace, 1815-1852, was an English mathematician known for writing the first computer algorithm for Charles Babbage's analytical engine. She is often regarded as the world's first computer programmer. Her work laid the foundation for modern computing. 2. Steve Jobs, year 1955 to 2011. Co-founder of Apple Inc., Steve Jobs was a pioneering figure in personal computing and consumer electronics. He played a key role in the development of the Macintosh, iPod, iPhone, and iPad, revolutionizing several industries and leaving a lasting impact on technology and design. 3. William Henry Gates III, year 1955. Better known as Bill Gates, he co-founded Microsoft Corporation, which became the world's largest personal computer software company. Gates played a significant role in the development of the Windows operating system and has been a prominent philanthropist through the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. 4. Alan Curtis Kay, year 1940, a computer scientist known for his pioneering work on object-oriented programming and graphical user interfaces. Kay was instrumental in the development of the Xerox Alto, one of the first computers to use a graphical user interface, influencing modern computing. 5. Alan Matthiesen Turing, year 1912 to 1954. A British mathematician and logician, Turing is considered the father of theoretical computer science and artificial intelligence. His concept of the Turing machine is a fundamental model of computation, and his work during World War II was crucial in deciphering the Enigma code. 6. Sophie Wilson, year 1957. An English computer scientist, Wilson co-designed the ARM architecture, a widely used processor architecture in smartphones and embedded systems. She also contributed to the development of the BBC microcomputer and the BBC Basic Programming Language. 7. Barbara Liskov, year 1939. An American computer scientist, Liskov is known for the Liskov substitution principle, a key concept in object-oriented programming. She made significant contributions to programming languages and system design, particularly in the area of data abstraction. 8. Sir Timothy John Berners-Lee, year 1955. A British computer scientist, Berners-Lee is best known for inventing the World Wide Web in 1989. He proposed the idea of a hypertext system to enable information sharing over the Internet, leading to the development of the first web browser and web server. 9. Bjarne Stroustrup, year 1950. A Danish computer scientist, Stroustrup is the creator of the C++ programming language. He developed C++ to provide high-level abstractions while maintaining the efficiency of low-level languages, making it widely used in software development. 10. Sir Charles Anthony Richard Hoare, year 1934. A British computer scientist, Hoare is known for developing the quicksort algorithm and for his work on the formal verification of programs. He introduced the concept of Hoare logic, a formal system for reasoning about program correctness. 11. Brian Wilson Kanayan, year 1942. A Canadian computer scientist, Kanayan co-authored the first book on the C programming language and contributed to the development of Unix. His work has been instrumental in shaping modern programming practices. 12. Sergei Mikhailovich Brin, year 1973. A Russian-American computer scientist, Brin co-founded Google with Larry Page. He played a significant role in the development of Google's search engine and its expansion into various other services and products. 13. Charles Babbage, year 1791 to 1871. An English mathematician and inventor, Babbage is known for conceptualizing and designing the first automatic mechanical computer, the analytical engine. His designs laid the foundation for the later development of computers. 14. Niklaus Emil Wirth, year 1934 to 2024. A Swiss computer scientist, Wirth is known for developing several programming languages, including Pascal, Modular, and Oberon. He emphasized the importance of simplicity and efficiency in programming language design. 15. Linus Torvalds, year 1969. A Finnish-American software engineer, Torvalds is the creator of the Linux kernel, which is the foundation of the Linux operating system. Linux has become widely used in servers, desktops, and embedded systems. 16. Dennis McAllister Ritchie, year 1941 to 2011. An American computer scientist, Ritchie co-created the C programming language and was a key figure in the development of the Unix operating system. His work has had a profound impact on software development. 17. Donald Irwin Nuth, year 1938. An American computer scientist, Nuth is known for his multi-volume work, The Art of Computer Programming. He developed the text typesetting system and introduced the concept of literate programming. 18. Leslie Lamport, year 1941. An American computer scientist, Lamport is known for his work in distributed systems and concurrent computing. He developed the LaTeX typesetting system and introduced the concept of happens before relationships in distributed systems. 19. Lawrence Edward, Larry, Page, year 1973. Larry Page is an American computer scientist and entrepreneur who co-founded Google with Sergey Brin. He helped develop Google's PageRank algorithm, revolutionizing search engines. Page also played a key role in Alphabet Inc., Google's parent company. 20. Douglas Engelbart, year 1925 to 2013. Douglas Engelbart was an American engineer and inventor best known for inventing the computer mouse. He also pioneered early work in hypertext, networked computers, and graphical interfaces, profoundly influencing personal computing. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. G. Sobhanadri Rao.